my channel. If you're new here, then thanks for dropping in by my channel, and if you have already been there with me from my recent past, then no more instructions basically needed. So today I am going to show you guys how to achieve this particular makeup look where I have played with a lot of colors, as you can see. So yes, this is a very colorful look. I have used a lot of colors in this, and you can really never go wrong when you play with colors. So I'll show you guys how to create this particular eye makeup look. So if you are interested, you know the drill. Keep on watching. Hey guys, so now as you can see that I'm totally done with my base makeup. And is my voice echoing? Yeah, my voice is echoing because I'm in an empty room. Because my room is getting renovated and I am in an empty room. So now as you can see that I'm totally done with my base makeup, and I have already prepped and primed my eyelid. And to prep and prime my eyelid, I have used my all-time favorite concealer, which is the PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer, which is basically this one. It is in the shade 0.5 Porcelain, which is basically this one. So I have used this particular concealer over here by PAC Cosmetics to dab my eyelids and to cancel out all the discoloration, and to slightly set it up with some loose powder, I have used my all-time favorite, the K-Beauty HA Translucent Loose Powder, which is basically this one. It is in the shade white. It is a translucent loose powder. So yeah, I have used this beautiful combo over here to prep and prime my eyelids. And I have slightly dusted some powder onto this area under my eyes, so that if I have any fallout, which is bound to have, and then I am just going to dust it off so that my base makeup does not ruin. And now I will quickly start on with my eye makeup, and the very first palette that I'm going to choose right now is going to be this one, which is the ColourPuff Cosmetics Blue Moon palette, which is basically this one. And I'm just going to take the darkest shade from this palette, which is basically Clubbed In, which is this one. I'm just going to take this beautiful shade over here, and I'm just going to start putting it on my eyes. I hope this is not very annoying for you guys to hear this, because this is the first time I'm filming in this particular setup. I have never filmed in an empty room, so I hope it's not that annoying, and if it is that annoying, then you can mute the video and just see what I am doing, because obviously you can understand from seeing what I am doing. So now taking this beautiful shade over here, which is basically this one, I'm just going to dust off the excess, and I'm just going to start putting it onto my crease area, which is basically this particular area over here. So while I am doing my makeup, just tell me that how are you guys doing, what are you guys up to, and how is your life going on. I hope everything is going alright and you're just fine and fantastic. So yeah, and I just wish that if you are not fine and doing good, and I just wanted you to know and remember that we all have our ups and downs in our lives, and we just need to accept that and move on with that. Because if we don't have the lows, then we won't be feeling the highs, and if we don't have the sorrows, we won't be able to feel the happiness. So maybe that is the reason life is balanced the way it is balanced, and it's not only about having the good times and the happy times in life. It's also about enjoying every bit of your life, and taking the bad memories as an experience. Because I just feel like if you really have had bad experiences in your life, then you are really lucky, because you are an experienced person, and life is going to be so easier for you in future if you are already experienced for anything and everything you are going through. Trust me on that. So now while talking, I'm just done putting in that blue shade, and so I'll quickly go on with the other color. I'm just going to go towards my all-time favorite multi-color palette, which is my Morphe James Charles palette, which is basically this one. So I'm just going to take this beautiful palette over here. I just love holding this palette, Yeah, so now from this particular palette over here, I'm just going to I'm just going to take this beautiful shade over here, which is this dark purple shade, which I have already hit the pan. So you guys know how much I love using this particular purple shade. So I'm just going to take this purple shade over here, and I'm just going to extend this blue into this area. So I'm just going to start from here and extend this blue line with this purple shade. So right now I'm just taking this color from my pan and dusting off the excess. I'm just drawing a semi-cut crease onto this area. I'm just not sure that what I want to do for this style, whether I want to curve it out or I want to wing it out. I'm just not sure right now, so I'm just going to leave it like this. But yeah, definitely I'm just going to do something. So right now, as you can see that I'm done putting on that purple shade and the blue shade. So what I'm just going to do right now is I'm just going to start blending it out. And to blend it out, I'm just going to use some other shades and colors so that I can make this look way more colorful. And to blend it out, the very first color that I'm going to use right now is going to be this beautiful light green shade over here, which is basically this one. And I'm just going to take this shade, rest of the excess, and I'm just going to start blending that blue shade with this light green shade, just as I am doing right now. I just love doing this colorful blends on my channel. I just this gives me so much happiness and pleasure. So now as you can see that I'm done with that light green shade. So what I'm going to do right now is I am just going to go towards the yellow shade, and I'm just going to take it from my Morphe Exchange palette all over again. I'm taking this beautiful yellow shade over here, and I'm just going to take this yellow shade onto my fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to give that light green shade that nice and final blend. And I'm just blending it onto this tiny portion, and I'm just going to take that shade and I'm just going to pat it right now, and then I'm just going to diffuse it. I just want that light tint of yellow. I just don't want the entire yellow shade to be there. So now when I'm done putting on that yellow shade and blending it out, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take care of this purple shade, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start blending the purple shade. And to blend this purple shade, I'm just going to take my Morphe Exchange palette all over again, and taking this beautiful palette over here, I'm just going to take this dark purple shade over here, and taking that shade onto my fluffy blending brush and dusting off the excess, I'm going to start blending at this particular portion of this purple shade. I'm just going to shade it and pull it towards my brow line. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just blending that purple shade with that pink shade on towards my hairline, like this. So I'm just doing some little swiping motion onto this area to swipe that shade onto my hairline. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my concealer and cut my crease. And the concealer that I'm just going to use to cut my crease is the one which I use to prep and prime my eyelid, and which is this one by Black Cosmetics. The shade is 0.5 Porcelain. So I'm just going to use this vertical concealer over here, and I'm just going to start cutting my crease. Right now, as you can see that I'm done with my cut crease. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go back towards my Morphe Exchange palette, and from this palette I'm just going to start with this yellow shade over here. Then I'm just going to start putting in this light orange shade, which is this one. Then I'm just going to end this with this one. So I'm just going to start with this, and then this one, and then that one. So I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3 like this onto this skirt portion of my eyes. I'm just going to start doing it, and I'm just going to let you guys to follow through, and that's the reason I just showed what colors that I'm going to use just before starting it, because otherwise it is going to be so much way more disruptive. So yeah, so I'm just going to start with this purple light yellow shade. Now taking some pink shade, which is this one, I am just going to put it onto this video. So now at this point, when you can see that I'm done with putting on all those like 3-4 shades, being the yellow, then orange, then a pink, then a red. So yeah, when I'm done with all those things, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go ahead and put on some liner. The liner is by NYX, the NYX Epic Ink liner, which is basically this one. I just love wearing this particular liner over here, so I'm just going to put on this particular liner, and then I'm just going to go behind the camera and put on some falsies. So yeah, that is what I'm doing right now. So for the liners, I didn't do anything very bold today. I just kept it very short and simple just to fit on the lash band. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put on some coat of mascara, and for my mascara today I'm using my Benefits Roller Lash Mascara, which is basically this one. I hope you can see, and I'm just coating my lashes with this particular mascara. So now as you can see, I'm done with the liner and the mascara, so I'm just going to go behind the camera, put on some falsies and complete the other eye, and I will be right back. So now I'm back after putting on my falsies and completing the entire look. I have completed my other eye, and for my falsies today I have used some falsies from Amazon. I will be linking everything down below in the description box. The falsies which I used are this one, so I used this particular set over here. So yeah, this is it for my today's entire look. And on my lips today I'm wearing my Smashbox Always On Liquid Matte Lipstick, which is in the shade Yes Honey. So I'm wearing this particular lipstick on my lips. This is such a beautiful nude shade, and just love wearing this one. So yeah, I am totally done with this entire look. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this entire video, and if you guys have enjoyed watching this entire video, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all as always.